Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. In previous lecture, we have completed Unit 5, the life cycle of plants. Now, first we will do exercises of this unit. So, come to the page number 48, exercise number 1. So, exercise number 1 is choose the correct answer. Number 1 is what do flower grow into? Birds, seeds, flower, shoots. So fruit is the correct option because flowers grow into the fruit. The next is which of these are root? Ginger, carrot, cabbage, tomato. So carrot is the correct option because carrots belong to the root group. What does a seed need to grow? Water and soil, soil and air, good soil, water, sunlight, and air. And the last one is water. So the C is the correct option because we need good soil, water, sunlight, and air for growing of seed. The next is which of these has the largest seed? Mango, grapes, apple, and peach. Apple, peach, and grape have a small seeds and the mango have a larger seeds. So A is the correct option. Which of these vegetables is really a fruit? Tomato, potato, carrot, cauliflower. So you know that tomato belong to the fruit group. So tomato is the correct option. Question number 2. Find the odd one out in each list below. Ginger, potato, onion, sweet potato. Ginger, potato, and sweet potato belong to the tuber group and onion belong to the bulb. So onion is the correct option. Number 2 is the odd one, okay? Because onion belong to the bulb group, so it is the odd one. Number 2, cherry, peach, mango, orange. Cherry, peach, and mango have a one seed, but orange have many seeds, so that's why orange is the odd one. Odd one मीन जो सबसे दो जो इनमें से अलग हो, ठीक है, सेपरेट हो सबसे. रॉक, वाटर, सनलाइट, एयर. अब इसमें हमारे पास है रॉक जो है वो ऑड वन है बिकॉज वी नीड वाटर, एयर एंड सनलाइट फॉर ग्रोइंग ऑफ सीड. But we don't need the rock. Carrot, turnip, radish, cauliflower. Cauliflower belong to the flower bird, so that's why cauliflower is the odd one. Lettuce, turnip, tomato, and potato. Tomato is the odd one because it belongs to the fruit group. Next question is match the following. At one side there are the names of vegetables and the other side these are the parts of plant. So we will match these vegetables to their group. So tomato belong to the fruit group, carrot belong to the root group, peas belong to the seed, lettuce leaf bird, and the cauliflower flower bird. Next question. Order the steps of the life cycle. These are the steps of life cycle and we will arrange them, okay, by giving the numbering. So first में हमारे पास है the seed germinates, okay, and the second is the plant grows. When the seed germinates, the second step is plant grows. तो plant जो है वो grow करना start कर देता है. The third one is plant flower. The third step is plant flower. जब plant grow करते हैं तो third step में plant में flower produce होना start हो जाते हैं. The fourth is the flower produces fruit. तो जब flower produce होते हैं then these flowers change into the fruits. And the fifth step is fruit releases seeds. फिर इसी तरह से जो fruit हैं वो seed release करते हैं. And the sixth one is a new life cycle begin. और sixth step में हमारे पास है the new life cycle begins. Next question is, in a table like the one shown below, list the names of vegetables under the heading. There are headings of parts of plant, but we will write down one name of vegetable which belong to this group. So cabbage belong to the leaf bird, spinach leaves, stem में हमारे पास है example sugar cane की, in roots I have mentioned carrot, flower buds, cauliflower. Tuber में हमारे पास है potato, sweet potato, ginger, but I have mentioned just potatoes. Seeds में हमारे पास है peas, bulb. In bulb, the onion is the vegetable which belong to the bulb group. In fruits that are vegetables, तो हमारे पास fruit में example है tomato की. And the seedling में हमारे पास है mustard. Okay, so now come to the next unit, that is the materials. So in our daily life we are using different types of materials. Materials mean everything which we are using are made of different materials, sometime more than one materials. And there are many examples of materials like book, cup, bottle, chair, mobile, table, furniture, houses. All these are made up of different materials. There are some non-living things which are made of natural materials and some are man-made. Natural materials come from the plants, animals and minerals. They are very useful to us. नेचुरल मटेरियल्स वो मटेरियल्स हैं जो कुदरती तौर पर हमें मिलते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कि हमें प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, ये सब हमें नेचुरली कुदरती की तरफ से मिलते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल मटेरियल्स. द नेक्स्ट इज़ मैन मेड मटीरियल्स. नाउ मैन मेड मटीरियल्स हमारे पास वो मटीरियल्स हैं जो ह्यूमंस के थ्रू बनाए जाते हैं, प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, ठीक है. सो दोज मटीरियल्स विच मेड बाय द ह्यूमंस आर कॉल्ड मैन मेड मटीरियल्स, लाइक अम्ब्रेला, पेन, glass, book. All these are the examples of man-made materials. All objects we use are made of different materials. So there are different types of materials. For example, wood, glass, metal, plastic, fabric, paper, rubber. All these are the types of materials. Now we will discuss about the properties of materials. Properties of materials help us to know why different objects are made from certain materials. अब most materials चाहे वो shiny हो या dull हो, those objects which reflect the lot of light are shiny and clear. And the other hand, dull objects do not reflect any light. इसी तरह से हमारे पास है transparent material. Now transparent materials are those materials which allow whole light, whole mean all light, which allow all light to pass through them are called transparent material. जिसमें हमारे पास example हैं which we see in our daily life, that is the window pan, जो कि विंडो में यूज़ होते हैं, राइट, थ्रू विच वी कैन सी ऑल द थिंग्स क्लियरली. इसी तरह से जो हमारे पास ग्लास होता है, वाटर ग्लास, दैट इज़ आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ, दैट इज़ ट्रांसपेरेंट, विच इज़ आल्सो ट्रांसपेरेंट. ओके, क्लियर वाटर इज़ आल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल. सो ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल वो चीज़ें होती हैं जिसमें से हमें क्लियरली सब कुछ नज़र आए और जिसमें से कंप्लीट लाइट पास हो. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ओपेक मटेरियल्स. सो ओपेक मटेरियल्स डू नॉट अलाउ एनी लाइट टू पास थ्रू देम. ओपेक मटेरियल ब्लॉक द रेजेस ऑफ लाइट, ये लाइट की रेजेस को ब्लॉक कर देता है. इसमें हमारे पास है एग्जाम्पल बुक, वुडन ब्लॉक, जो भी हमारे पास, जैसे कि फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि हमारे डोर जो हैं वो वुड से बने होते हैं. व्हेन वी क्लोज द डोर देन वी कांट सी एनी लाइट, वी कांट सी एनीथिंग क्लियरली. ओके, सो opaque materials do not allow any light. The next is waterproof and absorbent. waterproof material do not suck up water. Absorbent mean जो जज़ब पानी को जज़ब करे. ओके, सो वाटर प्रूफ मटीरियल हमारे पास वो मटीरियल्स हैं जो वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करते, जो सकअप नहीं करते वाटर को. अब जैसे कि इसमें हमारे पास एग्जांपल हैं विच शोन इन दिस पिक्चर, प्लास्टिक, अम्ब्रेला, ग्लव्स. सो दे डू नॉट एब्जॉर्ब water. Okay, so that's why they are called waterproof material. The next is absorbent material. Now absorbent material हमारे पास कौन से हैं? Like a sponge is which we see in our daily life, जो हम daily life में हम sponge देखते हैं which absorb too much water. इसी तरह से हमारे clothes जब भी हम बारिश में हो जाते हैं तो हमारे clothes जो है that suck up the water. So they are called the absorbent material. The next one is these are the examples of magnetic materials. Why they are examples of magnetic materials? Because iron and steel made thing, all the iron and steel made thing attracted to the magnet. ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं, जो भी स्टील और आयरन से बनी हुई चीज़ें हैं, ये मैग्नेट को अट्रैक्ट करती हैं. That's why they are called the magnetic materials. Next is non-magnetic materials. Non-magnetic materials are those materials which do not attract the magnet, जो मैग्नेट को अट्रैक्ट ना करें, जिसमें हमारे पास एग्जांपल्स हैं पेपर, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक, रबर, वुड. ओके, ऑल दीज objects do not attract the magnet. Next one is flexible and rigid. So flexible materials like cloths and paper are easily to bend. All those materials which are easily to bend are called flexible materials. And rigid materials like glass cannot be bent easily. जिसमें हमारे पास और भी एग्जांपल हैं, पेंसिल, बॉल, दे डू नॉट easily to bend, so they are called rigid. Rigid means सख्त, हार्ड चीज़ें जो होती हैं, जो हम easily bend नहीं होती. Sometimes the same material, plastic for example, can be flexible or rigid. बाज़ दफ़ा कुछ ऐसे प्लास्टिक हैं which is some plastic are hard, which are come to the rigid. Okay, some plastics are rigid and some plastic are flexible. The next one is soft materials. अब soft materials में हमारे पास है rubber, cotton, pillow. All these are the soft materials. And the next one is hard materials. Strong and hard materials like rocks and stones are difficult to stretch or break. Some things are soft, some things can be hard to touch, but easily to break. For example, a glass jar is weak. It is, if it is dropped, it will break. इसी तरह से हमारे पास जो ग्लास की एग्जाम्पल है, it is hard, but it is easily to break. Okay, so this is our today's topic. Till next topic, take care and Allah Hafiz.